Hey everyone, in this video I'll take you through a beginner's guide to Pollo AI, or you could say Pollo AI if you're Spanish. I'm assuming it's Polo, but I'll leave that up to the internet to decide. So here we are at the main page, and you can see that you have a couple of options here. We have try Polo AI there. At the top right hand corner, you'll find your account icon. And if you see there, you have a few options to consider. We're just going to go ahead and log out here so that you can take a look at what you will expect if you're logging in for the first time. You'll find that the login button is up here in the top right hand corner, right next to where it says start for free. We're going to go ahead and click that, and you'll see here that you can sign up with your email address, or you can continue with Google. If you already have an account, you can log in here. You could read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. We're going to go ahead and continue with Google. And you'll see here that with just a couple clicks of the button, we are now all logged in. So this will give you an idea of what Polo is capable of. These are some of the visuals that were created with Polo, and they are really quite nice. We've got some pretty cool stuff going on here with the dog playing the guitar. Really nice looking fantasy type mountain, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Some really nice clean images. Gives you an idea of everything it's capable of. We have a few options here at the left hand side. So this shows you we've got image to video. You can upload your video. You can enter in a prompt in order to say what it is that the video is about, and just give the AI some basic information. So for example, if I wanted to do the dog playing the guitar, then I could probably just put dog playing guitar. And that's just to prime the pumps with the AI, let it know what it's dealing with. A lot of times it can just take the image and figure it out on its own, but it's a good idea to try to be as detailed with your prompts without getting too verbose, because you just want to be as straightforward as possible. There's a healthy balance to try to figure out there. We also have text to video, and with this you are creating an idea from nothing but text. Whereas with the other, you're priming the pumps with the image, so to speak. And this one, you are leaving it up to the AI to figure something out. So you have some ideas here. We can recycle that as well. Let's go ahead and we'll pick Desert Wanderer. And you can see that that will then put in the prompt here. Traveler strides towards horizon. So if we wanted to generate this idea, then we would want to scroll down to the bottom and hit create. I'll go ahead and do that so that you could see what happens. And this is where we encounter the subscription page, and you can see that we have the Lite for $10. We have the Pro for $25, and you get 300 credits with the Lite, which is equal to about 30 standard videos. And with the Pro, it is $25 a month. Here you have monthly or yearly. There is a 14% discount if you do get the yearly, but that'll give you an idea of what you can expect with Polo. Again, the results are quite nice. You are going to need to spend some money in order to really get a lot out of it, because you do get some credits, but not too many. And you can add more. If we click on that, it's going to take us back to that page there. We have the video extender. So not only do we have the image to video and text to video, we also have the video extender. And if you click on that, then you can see here, you can click extend videos now. and that'll bring us back to our creations. We'll just take a look here at what the extender does. Here's the original video. Stops about right there. Then you can see here how it continues going. And we get a lot more detail of the street that she's on. And this is really quite cool what you're seeing here. So it gives you another idea of what Pollo is capable of. You can use your favorite image generator and bring that in here. Here's the extension prompt. The woman slightly flaps her wings. So that all gives you an idea of what Pollo is capable of. We also have the templates, and this is the kissing, the hugging, and the handshake. Let's just take a look at the hug here. So you can combine two images in order to bring them together for a hug. In this case, we may have a grandson and grandfather, or perhaps a son and a father who haven't embraced in a long time, and we're finally bringing them together. We've also got the AI handshake. Same idea here. You can combine images in order to show the two boys here shaking their hands. It costs 10 credits for the handshake for the templates. So just keep in mind your credits are precious, so do use them sparingly. And yes, that gives you an idea of everything that Pollo is capable of. I'll show you an example here of what we've done. And again, you could see quite nice. The resolution is a little bit low, but that all gives you an idea of what Pollo is capable of. And usually with something like this, the best thing to do is to do the image to video. The text to video, you might get some good results, but generally speaking, with AI image generators, video generators, it seems as though if you have an image all ready to go, then you are going to generally get better results. So that's just a kind of pro tip. Generally speaking, it's a good idea to first get your image from something like Midjourney or Focus or any other image generator of your preference, and then bring it into something like Pollo in order to get the video out of it. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.